So, I didn't really bring it up that much last time, because really, I was suppressing my rage. But holy shit. That fucking first Mashiro H scene. Whew. It made me want to die. It took so long to do anything. I literally lost my sanity during that. And if you'd like to see it, it's on Patreon. No, it is just, I hate chilling or anything. I'm just saying it made me want to die. I feel like if you're at the 50-minute mark and the clothes are still on, there's a fucking problem. Anywho, welcome to you can have a seat at this table. Oh, you. I need to talk with you. Misaki, of all people, shows up at Mashiro Udon. Of all people, he says. I bring her udon over to her table and place it in front of her. The one person that would actually come here, like, all the time. Yeah.
Genki?
This is the first time she's tried to strike up an actual conversation with me since she entered. Can't you tell? We see each other at school.
喋ってくんないじゃん?
Well, I just don't know what to talk about. There's a million things I want to ask you, so it's kind of hard. That's why I just decided to wait and believe. God damn it.
愛しちゃってるね、真白のこと。
Apparently enough to have an hour and 15-minute H scene with her. I was talking about you there, Misaki.
マジで?
Well, I've just decided to think of you all like my kids. And you know, kids. Misaki's my child now. Cute as they are, they love nothing more than to be disobedient. So, yeah. Thanks to you guys, I feel like an old man. That's how I feel all the time. My children. Misaki proceeds to slurp her noodles. Well, Mashiro's the one who really trusts you. A lot more than me, in fact.
ごめん。麺一本あげるから。
If you wanted a good pun, you should have said 9 instead of 1. I slurp the noodle she holds out to me with her chopsticks.
我ながららしくないな。
Meh. What do you mean?
この不完全燃焼感。いや、残尿感。
Goosing you. I always love that. I'm being goosed. Do you even know what that means? Why would you even use that word? It's one of my favorites.
もっとバッサリと切り捨ててくれればよかったのに。
Nope. I can't follow her. What would that accomplish? Like, what do you even mean by that?
私のことだから痩せて人になってた気がする。
Or became the ultimate Dance Dance Revolution master that we all know you to be. A what?
ゲームセンターとか入り浸って不良になるの。
See? But that's not being a hermit. She's actually going out.
何鼻で笑ってるの。私はいざとなったらそれくらいする女だよ。
He's like I could ever see you in an arcade. Not even though we've seen it. Well, let's get back on topic, please.
納得いかない。
I'm avoiding it
って
entirely.
いうか、私はマサヤも悪いと思ってるからね。
Don't make me goose you, woman. I don't. What'd I do?
もっとアスカの才能が突き抜けてたらなーとか。今でも十分突き抜けてると思うけど。
Excuse me, Asuka's doing just fine.
あとはマサヤが真白を取らなかったらやめてもあんなに練習見に行く羽目にならなかったと思うし。
Yup. Stop, don't say anything else. I'm worried about the kitchen. The death stare. The plate. It's breaking. We just hear the crack.
ねえ、この世界の私は幸せになれる？
Jesus Christ, that's a question. Why are you asking me that? I don't know. Happiness is something you gotta find for yourself.
ゲームとかアニメが身近だとこういう発言が普通に出るよね。
Yeah, all the time. Sure, but it doesn't mean you should just randomly spring it on me. This atmosphere feels surprisingly relaxed given the subject matter and all.
でさ、マサヤはさ、私が FC 辞めた理由、なんとなく分かってんでしょ？
Oh, I understand. I just hate it. I'm not a psychic, Misaki. I can't read your mind.
才能と努力ってどっちを信じる？
You know, sprinkling a bit of both in there. ...
私はさ、天才ってのを垣間見たよ。
Well, sure. ...
折れた。心が折れた。ぽっきりとね。
I still never liked it. I think I get where she's coming from. It's the same feeling I experienced that day when I saw the perfectly blue sky and Misaki shit on me. No, Misaki felt that same sense of powerlessness, a feeling of defeat so crushing it robs you of any desire you have to still play the game.
いやまあ、折れたと思ったんだけどね。なんか首の皮一枚つながってたみたい。
That's all I need, just one little thread.
マシロが言ったんだ。私には才能があるって。
Because you do.
笑っちゃうよね。
No, it's not. What do you think matters more? Natural talent or hard work? Ah, throwing it right back at her. Let me rephrase that. What do you want to matter more? Ah!
才能ってさ、やっぱあると思うんだ。
That was good. I like that.
だからマシロと、マシロが才能あるっていう私が、もし本気で戦ったら、私が勝つよね。
I don't know. Mashiro's got the plays like in her. She hasn't busted out the meteor plays again for over a while, but we'll see. I asked what you want to matter more, not what you think does.
考えたことないな。だけど、もしこれで私が負けたりしたらさ、私のアイデンティティ崩壊しちゃうよ。
It's like, how could I lose to Mashiro of all people? True. True talent is the kind of thing that makes you shudder. Winning seems physically impossible no matter how hard you try. And that's what happened to me. And that's why I quit FC and ran away. And it all happened because of this woman in front of me. But if I accept that effort can beat talent, then what have I been doing with my life these past few years? I've been telling myself something that isn't true. I have a hunch that Misaki is scared of fighting Mashiro. If she wins, burp, all it does is confirm her belief. Her belief that she can only go so far. But if Mashiro wins, it invalidates her entire reason for quitting. It turns her entire belief system upside down. And honestly, I'm in the same boat.
マサヤはどっちが勝ってほしい？
I'd probably, probably go for Mashiro. She thrust that question in front of me like a dagger against my throat. Mashiro. I feel like that would solve everyone's problems. Exactly. I feel like we have the solution. Have Mashiro beat Misaki and we win. Like, because then it would prove that you can become great. The expression on her face is far too ambiguous, so I can't tell what she thinks of my answer.
それじゃあ、そろそろ行こうかな。
Alright. Can I ask you one more thing before you go? What do you think of Mashiro? Be honest now. I ask her a question that's been plaguing my mind a long time now.
ここじゃ話しにくいな。
This is the best place to talk about it. And then you just look over and there's just that dark aura just in the kitchen. I look in the direction Misaki is and see... Oh. Fucking Botan-san, always creeping. Botan-san notices Misaki looking at her and waves. I highly doubt she was eavesdropping, but it must be hard to talk about this in the presence of Mashiro's mom. I bet you she was eavesdropping. I'll ask her to give me a moment to step outside with you.
別にいいのに。
Well, I'm gonna. Misaki leaves the money on the table and gets up. You know, I never... What if, like, you leave the money on the table and then, like, as a tip or something, or you're just paying, and then, like, someone swipes it? You know what I mean? That's why I never like leaving any money on the table. The fact that she opted for that instead of paying at the register feels like an indirect sign of rejection. Because it is.
失礼します。また来てね。
Okay, bye. She gives Botan-san a quick bow. Oh, after watching her long black hair sway as she leaves, I go to her table to clean it off when I realize something. God damn it, Misaki, what did she do? That's not enough money. God damn it. Guess I'll get what's missing when I go after her. What a smart play. Smart
私が
play.
真白のことどう思ってるかだっけ？
Fucking Misaki has to do everything in just a insane way. If I'm being honest, it's hard to tell if you really like her at times. Yeah, it's...
うどんを持ってきてくれる便利な子。言い方悪いかな。
That wasn't a good thing to say. I'll just assume you're joking.
だってあの子重いんだもん。
I mean, I'm into clingy. What's wrong with that? Is she really, though? The way I see it, she only goes as far as the other person's comfortable with.
どうなんだろうね。
Not with Misaki. Misaki just gets all the cling that Mashiro has in her body. Mashiro told me about how you and her met. She said you reached out your hand to her when she was at a really depressing point in her life, and you ate her food. She said she'll never forget that day.
詳しく聞いたの？
No. She didn't wanna tell me without your permission.
彼氏を一番にする融通くらいあった方が可愛げあるのにね。
She's fine the way she is. Well, it depends on the situation. I like people who care about others instead of those who are blindly obsessed with a single person.
あの
Damn.
子さ、昔もっと内向的だったんだ。
We saw that in the flashback. That's what I heard. Okaze mentioned that. I got to know her through you, so I never knew.
もうほんと笑っちゃうくらい内気。内気は違うか。自分を出せない女の子って感じ。ゲームのやりすぎで目が悪くなったってずっとメガネしてたし。
Now, hold on there. Don't blame video games for your loss of eyesight. Oh, wait, I wear glasses. Oh, no.
もともとあんまり器用な方じゃなかったみたいでさ。成功体験が極端に少ないみたい。頑張っても報われることがないって諦め慣れてるの。だから自分に自信がなくて声を張ることもできなくてずっとうつむいててさ。ぼっちって本当にいたんだって思った。でも比較的結びつきの強い田舎でさ、ぼっちってさ、しんどいよね。
Fucking Misaki. Wow, there are people with no friends.
私そんなこと知らないからさ。まさかお昼休みに中庭で三角座りしてる子がぼっちで友達とお弁当を食べれなくてうつむいてるとか思わないし。
You gonna eat that?
だから寝てるみたいだし食べないならもったいないからもらっちゃおっかなーって脇に置いてあるお弁当をこう。
Are you serious?
いやー、まさか手を差し伸べてるみたいに見えちゃったとはね。失敗した。
God damn it. Does she know about that?
言ったけど信じてもらえなかった。それどころかお腹が減ってるならって次の日からうどん持ってきてくれるようになった。
God, so fucking... Oh, God damn it.
お弁当欲しさに優しくしすぎちゃったんだね、きっと。
Misaki.
こう見えても私だって最初は遠慮してたんだよ。でもさ、毎日毎日私の好きなもの聞き出してうどんに入れてくるんだ。これが食べちゃうよね。
I don't even know what to say.
それからずっとこんな関係。すべては美味しいうどんのために。
Misaki, you're just doing that fucking thing again. There's nothing even remotely heartwarming about that.
真っ白の夢が覚めるまでって感じかな。それも最近誰かがやってくれてるみたいだけど。
I don't understand what you mean. I'm not doing that for you.
当然でしょ。
It's just a side effect.
ああ、このままフェードアウトしたい。
I'd rather you didn't. That'd be a big problem. You know, Misaki? It seems like you're the most prone to emotional issues among us.
マサヤ気づいてないんだ。私がマサヤの周りで一番女の子なんだよ。
Now, girliest, I'm not so sure. Most emotional, probably. Most fucking annoying and weird, yeah, again, definitely. Don't expect me to play along with your jokes.
本当なのに不甲斐者だ。私が本当に真っ白のこと好きだったら大変だったろうな。あの子の憧れる自分になりたくてさ、自分を変えようとかなんとか。
We both know you can't just fundamentally change who you are.
それでもさ、真っ白の前だったらちゃんとできるかもって思っちゃいそうじゃない？
I can't change myself for anybody anymore. I'm me, and that's all that matters to me.
よかったよ、うどんが好きなだけで。美咲ちゃん、壊れずに済んだ。
どう？真っ白は美咲ちゃんと仲直りできそう？
Misaki's pissing me off. Botan-san asked me that question as soon as I walked back into the restaurant. She probably guessed what our conversation was about. I don't know. It's probably something they'll have to work out between themselves. Of course, if they want my help, I'll provide it. I'm not, you know. Is there something you want to say?
人なんて変わっていくものだしね。みんないろいろなことを乗り越えて強くなるものよ。
That's what our experiences are. Isn't that a little too optimistic?
まあ、壁なんて年月が経ったら案外簡単に飛び越えられたりするし、必要ならそれなりに頑張らなきゃダメだけど。
Tell me about it. A lot of effort.
美咲ちゃん、案外よくわかってると思うけどね。
Oh, I understand. What do you mean?
信じられる？美咲ちゃんってうどん嫌いだったのよ。
I don't believe you. I would never believe anyone that told me that. What?
小さい頃に喉に詰まらせたとかで。真白が初めてうちに連れてきた時、こっそり少なめでって頼まれて。
Does Mashiro know? No.
知らない。
Nope.
だってそれ言わないのって美咲ちゃんの優しさでしょ？言えないわよ。
Well, would you look at that?
真白は美咲ちゃんがうどん大好きだって勘違いして毎日届けてたから苦労したと思う。
I can understand how Misaki must have felt. I went through a similar experience with Mashiro, misunderstanding what a perfectly blue sky meant to me.
だから私は美咲ちゃん大好き。
Oh, see, look at that. You... Fucking Misaki. Again. She's a unique one, that one. And she does things her own way. Now that I think about it, the puzzle didn't quite fit together earlier. Misaki called her clingy and acted like she didn't care about her, but she knows so much about Mashiro's past and what she's been through. She'd have to have some interest in her as a person to know her struggles. Oh yeah, you know. I'll ask her to give me a moment to step outside with you.
別にいいのに。
I like how we're having a flashback of just like 5 minutes ago. God damn it, Misaki. That's not enough money. That was a good one. I like that. What if the reason she did that was so I'd chase after her? Yes, that's why I was like, that's a good one. And
私が本当に真白のこと好きだったら大変だったろうな。あの子の憧れる自分になりたくてさ、自分を変えようとかなんとか。
her heart. We both know you can't just fundamentally change who you are.
それでもさ、真白の前だったらちゃんとできるかもって思っちゃいそうじゃない？
It's like my third eye has been opened.
よかったよ、うどんが好きなだけで。美咲ちゃん、壊れずに済んだ。
What if that was Misaki's cry for help? She was right. Misaki senpai never speaks her mind. Mashiro hit the nail on the head. Misaki, normally you'd only be able to fool a naive girl like Mashiro with that. But because of the time I've spent with Mashiro as her boyfriend, I've come to see through things. And I'm capable of acting on that. I think I've finally figured out how to solve this problem.
あら、なんだか嬉しそう。
Oh, I figured it all out. Yeah, ever since I started dating Mashiro, well, I found myself getting giddy over the smallest things. Oh, well, you know, see, that's why I was like, well,
なら。
Seems Mashiro's dad heard that in the kitchen, which explains the sound of a dropped plate.
まさやくん、今日はもう上がっちゃって。あの人、あとは私が適当にごまかしておくから。
Distract him with the ara ara. It works every time. Trust me, I know. I apologize in advance, Botan-san. Oh God, was he? Whoa! I turned in the direction of the kitchen and bowed my head. I'm very sorry about that, sir. I'm currently dating your daughter, Mashiro-san. I just felt so happy about that fact that it accidentally came out of my mouth. Just shouting across the fucking... I'll come back later and have a proper conversation with you. But I have something important to take care of right now. So I'll be gone for 2 weeks before the tournament as planned. I'll be leaving for today. But thank you, sir. I actually said it.
若いわね。
I'll probably want to crawl in a hole later and hide from everyone. But I won't regret this.
そうね。本当に埋まることになるかもしれないわね。
Oh no, don't tell me that. He just has this stack of plates and just... I didn't mean it in that sense.
でもま、頑張んなさい。私、まさやくんのこと結構好きよ。
Same for you, Botan-san. Oh, hey. Thank you. Looks like I still don't measure up to Misaki and the years she spent with Mashiro. That's only natural, though, because they got, well, years on me. Anywho. Oh, Jesus. I need to pit Misaki and Mashiro against each other, as I figured the plan was going to be. And to that end, I'll do everything I can. What the shit am I... I just start running? Like, god damn it. Hello? A few days have passed since, and it's now the weekend. There you are, Misaki. I've been looking everywhere for you.
まさや？どうしたのこんな休みに？
What are you doing here on a Saturday? Just wanted to ask again if you're serious about facing Mashiro in an FC match.
なんでまたいきなり？
Well, I had to get a few things ready first.
準備って？え、まさか本当に大会の出場枠でも取ってきたとか？
That'd be amazing on like such short notice. Nah, would have been impossible.
まさやというか、鏡先生や白瀬さんならそれくらいやりそうな気もしたからさ。
Oh, you know, probably. But, Aoi-san's not that nice to me, so there's no way she'd help.
でもじゃあなおさらだ。なんで私がマサヤの言うことを聞かなきゃいけないわけ？
'Cause why not? So, what's this I hear about that how you used to hate udon, huh? Ugh, you've discovered my secret. The reason you didn't want to talk inside the restaurant has to be because you didn't want Botan-san telling me the truth.
真白に言うってこと？うん、驚いちゃったけどさ、多分マサヤはそういうことはできないでしょ。
The fucking ultimate blackmail. No, I wasn't going to. Finding that out about you just made me want to push you a little harder, that's all. Let's make a bet. I'm a gambling man. Really, I'm not. The very few times I've been forced to go to the casino and been given $20 to use, I've always lost it in those fucking machines.
賭け？
Here's what I got in mind. We'll do a little short distance flight race, you and me. Oh, if I win, you play Mashiro. If you win, I'll treat you to any food of your choosing for a whole year.
何を企んでるの？
That's a year's a long time. You think there's a catch? Man, Misaki, that hurts.
悪いけど、こないだまで選手としてやってた私と今のマサヤとじゃ勝負にならないよ。
Going up against the one that fucked me in the first place.
そんなの一目瞭然。誰だってわかる。だったら裏がなきゃバカだよ。
No tricks except extra booster jets on my grab shoes. I guess it'll just come down to whether or not you can see it through.
もしかしてお涙ちょうだいみたいなのを用意してる？真白が戦いたがってるとかそんなの。
Did I say see it through? I meant see through it. Fuck. Nope.
じゃあ一番大事なことを聞くけど。
I'm all ears.
マサヤは私に勝てると思ってんの？
You're damn right. Wouldn't be here otherwise. He's like straight faced, dude.
そう。面白いかもね。
Damn, he's just like, he's so ready. A grin forms on her face.
マサヤがどんな頭でっかちなこと考えてるかわかんないけど、私がそれを力でねじ伏せる。
You must remember, I used to be the ultimate FC player of all time.
そういうの、ワクワクする。
God damn it. So your game?
ボタンさんの顔も立てなきゃだしね。うどんの話、マサヤに教えたのボタンさんでしょ？
That she did. Yeah.
ボタンさんがそう判断したならいいよ。逆に言えば、私が義理立てするのはここまでだから。
I wouldn't have it any other way. We move. Ooh, burp. Ooh, that was a good burp. We move up to the sky.
で、どうすんの？
Forever.
短距離の飛行勝負だっけ？
Oh my god. Let's see. This is a fucking balloon. There, right there. I look around and spot a balloon that someone must have let go of, ascending. Once that balloon reaches our altitude, we'll race to see who gets to it first. How about that?
本当に短いね。時間にして7、8秒ってとこかな。とすると、マサヤの仕掛けは一発ネタくらいだね。
Do not be concerned about my tricks. Who knows? You'll have to wait and see.
いいよ。絶対に手は抜かないから。
I just don't do anything. Those are the last words we exchange. The only sound now is the wind blowing past me. In sharp contrast to that silence, my heart is beating like a drum. A few unnaturally long seconds go by as we wait for the balloon to reach our altitude. And then... Okay!
Go!
We both speed off without a moment's delay. Still neck and neck.
マ
What do you
サ
think?
ヤ、どういう仕掛けでって。
Oh my god. I ignore her. Instead, I accelerate to insane speeds, leaving her in the dust. This is a handy technique I mastered when I was younger. It allows you to accelerate beyond the limits of your grab shoes, and it's what helped me compete against world-class skywalkers. God damn, she got fucking baited. You got swindled there. Fucking hustled. After years upon years of not using it, I finally decided to bust it out to help someone other than myself.
まさか
Nanny? She's finally caught on. I'm the one who's relying on sheer power and speed. The growing difference in distance makes her tilt forward in an attempt to accelerate. You can't win. It's impossible. I fucked you. It's over. But Misaki's a fighter. Yup, so she can't possibly reach her top speed that fast. And especially not in the 2 seconds it'll take me to reach the balloon. And a few moments later, fucking got it, dude. Got it! I catch the balloon as the wind pressure from the flight pushes it away. Well, I caught it. Meaning our little match that took less than 10 seconds has now concluded with my victory. You got straight hustled, Misaki. I hope you feel good about it. Misaki flies up to me.
本当に何かした
I didn't pull shit. It's all legal. She's furious. Hey, I told you I would... Ugh.
なんかおかしくなってるこの数日の間にマサヤ
Ugh. Oh my god.
マサヤ何吐きそうになっちゃってるの大丈夫
Wee woo. Alert, Space Marines. I'm fine. I came here on an empty stomach, so I should be able to hold it in. He hasn't done this in a long time.
どういうことなの
I guess the trauma's still with me. I thought I got rid of the pain, but all I really did was paint over it.
何言ってんの
Oh my god. This is what happens when I fly seriously. I never knew until I tried the other day, and it turned out like this. It was so awful that I don't even want to remember it. My whole body was shaking, and I was sweating bullets. But I practiced for a few days, and now I'm at the point where I can hold up for 10 seconds. After that, well, you can see for yourself what happens.
いい笑顔されてもなてかどうしてそこまでして
He literally re-practiced doing that for a few days, each time like fucking dying after he's done. God damn. For Mashiro, so she can get the chance to fight you. I'll be siding with her since I want her to win.
努力を信じるってこと
Yeah, that's right. I have to. It won't work unless I 100% believe that.
引くってそういうの
I don't blame you, but it's something I have to do. So yeah. I won our little bet, and you know what that means. Granted, I almost died, but whatever.
マサヤさん
It's fine. Okay, I didn't actually. It's just a little gagging and puking and whatnot. It's fine. You're joining them now, Asuka? Nice. What's going on?
はい入れてもらっちゃいました
God damn it. Asuka seems to have joined the ever-growing Speeder Alliance. Hey. You can't join the Speeder cult. I was gonna say it's not even like a Speeder a cult anymore. It's just a cult. It's not even really a Speeder Alliance at this point, though.
ひなた先輩最近あんまり練習見に来ないの
Listen. Sorry, I was busy with some stuff. Didn't I give Ichinose the practice schedule and detailed instructions on what everyone needs to work on, though? Well, everyone improved on that real fast.
はいとても役に立っていますよ
Ah. Glad to hear. Anywho.
この格好
Yeah. Not particularly. Yup.
秋の大会が近いからさみんなで模擬戦をやってみようってことになって
Their fucking transparent suits. That's a good idea. I already kind of assumed when I saw them in their suits. I was gonna ask you about something else, though.
4人で総当たり戦をやってな順位をつけてったんだ結果聞く
Sure. Sure, go ahead. Can't make excuses if nobody was playing with a second.
やっぱりアスカさんは強いですね最強です
Not surprised in the least.
そんなことないですよ 本当タッチの差って感じでしたから。
I bet Asuka's just saying that.
私は理科にしてやられたな。いえい
You're doing this to me on purpose, aren't you? I look at them in exasperation.
え。わかっちゃいます？
I will annihilate all of you. At least apologize or something. Basically, they're teasing me by specifically dragging out these conversations to keep me from asking where Mashiro is. Alright, let's get down to business. Where's Mashiro?
特訓だって。
The shit does that mean? Huh?
残念ながら総当たり戦で最下位でしたから。
God damn it. I see. So, she lost and left it to practice on her own. Or fucking cry somewhere like she did when she lost the tournament. Was Mashiro at least smiling?
はい、次は絶対負けないって。
I mean, that's the exact same thing she did at the tournament.
妙に燃えてたな。
I don't know, man.
まさやさん、それってもしかして。
Asuka knows. It's fine. I'll go. I need to go. She's gonna. Oh, yup. Oh, no. No, come here. Come here, you little sweetheart. It's okay. Oh, he's right. Oh, he's giving her a head pat. There you go. Guess I let you down again. Sorry, Mashiro.
先輩、
Come here.
ごめんなさい。今泣くのやめますから。
Nah, just let it all out. You can cry. That's fine. Let it all out until you feel better. I place my hand on her head and stroke it. Alright, so, what's going on?
私、美咲先輩と戦いたいって言いながら、全然実力が追いついてなくて。
I'm sure you can. You're gonna get there.
他のみんなは大会目指して頑張ってるのに、私だけ違うとこ向いてますし。なんだか空回ってばかりな気がして。
It could never go to waste. I see. Mashiro's been agonizing about these things this whole time. The fucking main theme. To the point where eventually she couldn't contain her emotions in that tiny body of hers and it all burst out. I feel really bad when you go off like this and cry all by yourself, Mashiro. At least come to me, okay?
だって先輩、最近ちょっと何かされてるみたいでしたし。
It's because I'm, doing something. I told you I had a little something to take care of, didn't I?
具体的には教えてくれなかったです。
Right. Sorry about that. I couldn't tell her that I was practicing flying. I didn't want her to see me all shaken up like I was. Gagging and dying. I guess you could just chalk it up to a silly matter of pride.
考えたくもないし、そんなことあるはずないって思いましたけど。
That's impossible.
私のことなんて、もうどうでもいいのかなって。
Oh, no crying. I mean, you could cry. Silly. Of course I care about you.
だって。
Wrap your arms around her. Love her. Man, hearing that really makes my heart ache. Sorry for leaving you alone when you were feeling down and lonely. But I managed to accomplish it, Mashiro.
何がですか？
Well, let me tell you. I talked to Misaki. She said she'll go back to playing FC if you can beat her. Yup. The match will be next weekend on Saturday. Coincidentally, the day before the tournament.
どうして？どうやったんです？
Well, let's just say I had a little trick up my sleeve. I'm your coach, Mashiro. I'll make anything happen if it's for one of my players. He's still not saying anything.
でもごめんなさい。勝てる気がしません。
You have me, damn.
信じたい。信じたいですけど。
Remember our two promises? I told you I'd help you win, and I told you I'd get Misaki to return. Both killed two birds, one stone. We'll knock them both out with this one match.
でももし負けたら私たちはどうなっちゃいますか？
Don't even think about
私
it.
と先輩と美
Don't
咲
even-
先輩は
Don't even.
怖い。すごく怖いです。
I extend my hand toward Mashiro, just like she extended hers to me when I was feeling down, and it's your turn to hold out a hand to Misaki. Oh! Oh! Just like she did. You took Misaki's hand when you first met, remember? So now it's your turn to repay her. I'll be holding your hand tight, so make sure you grab hold of hers.
先輩、どうしてそれを？
We're gonna win, Mashiro. That's the only way we can take Misaki's hand. Mashiro stares at my hand for a few seconds, seeming somewhat afraid, but then...
先輩、私を美咲先輩に勝たせてください。
I'm fucking pumped for this. She firmly grasps my hand. Damn! Mashiro, I once again see an ironclad will in those tear-stained eyes of hers. Let's win this. Together. Ah! Ah! Mashiro gives me a silent nod in response. Oh! I loved that. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm fucking... Oh! I'm ready. I'm fucking pumped for that. I wonder how that... She's probably just gonna barely... somehow fucking scrape by with the win. I'm feeling it. Or it'll just fuck me again and be like, nah, she lost. Like at the tournament. Where you're like, maybe she'll win. And then she just completely loses. And then you're just so sad. So very sad.